Hey guys, what is up? My name is Shaun Roselt and welcome to my HTML5 and CSS3 video series. So in this video, we are going to be learning about pseudo classes and pseudo elements. Okay, so we have already actually learned about pseudo classes in a previous video. But before we start, I have already created a basic HTML page with a heading and 4 paragraphs. Okay, what's this? Okay, so let's actually go here to the previous video. In video 29, which is the CSS links video, we actually learned about pseudo classes already. So if I go here to the video, let's open the source code of video 29 so that I can show it to you guys. Did I drag it? No. Oops, daisy. I'm struggling a bit to drag. What the hell is going on with my PC now? Okay, so I'm dragging it into Visual Studio. Okay, so in video 29 we had 4 links, and then we styled those links using pseudo classes, as you can see here. So we used the hover, visited, link, and active pseudo classes. Okay, and a pseudo class is selected using a single colon, okay, and then the pseudo class name. Okay, and pseudo classes and pseudo elements are there to allow you to select elements in a certain way. Okay, so let's close here, go to our main example here. Also, I won't be focusing much on pseudo classes in this video because we have already covered this in the CSS links video, so you can go and watch the video here, video 29. This video 29, I'll have the link in the description as well, so you can go check that out. I also have this link. This is a link from V3 Schools, also explaining to you pseudo classes. And here at the bottom, sorry, they have all of the pseudo classes listed below. As you can see, here is active, hover, link, all those we have covered. So yeah, you guys can go and check these ones out. Here are they. They all work in a very similar way, and have examples here. For instance, let's learn how the let's learn how the checked works. Okay, now we haven't yet learned about this element. Let's I closed it. Okay, but you guys can go check that out. I'll have the link in the description. Okay, let's start now by learning about pseudo elements. So pseudo elements is very similar to pseudo classes. The only difference is pseudo classes is with 1 colon and pseudo elements is with 2 colons. Okay, let's start with that now. Okay, let's first start by doing a simple pseudo class example. So for instance, h1 and a single colon, hover, and that basically means for the pseudo class. Okay, when it's hovered upon, let's do something such as change the background color to what color? Cream. Oh, I don't have cream. Let's make it light blue. Okay, so this is a pseudo class. As you can see, that works. Let's look at pseudo elements. Pseudo, that's a difficult word. Pseudo. Anyway, let's select the paragraphs here, all paragraphs. Actually no, let's just select one of them. Let's give this one an ID. Let's say second. Then we select the second one, and we give it a pseudo class of before. Okay, so the before pseudo class, pseudo element allows us to add content before the element. So here, for instance, I can say content colon. Let's add some content. I am content before. As you can see, it now added that content before this paragraph. Okay, let's go here and now add an after as well. After, let's just copy here. The after pseudo element works exactly the same. It adds content after the div, so I'm content after. As you guys can see, so I just added the content after before it, so that works. I actually want to go now and change it to all paragraphs for the next example. So yeah, let's just make it to all paragraphs. Oops. Okay. Then we have the first letter pseudo element. So this selects the first letter in the paragraph. Okay. So here we can, for instance, now go and add. Let's change the color to of the first letter to green, and the font size to, let's say, 60 pixels. So every first letter in a paragraph will now be styled like this. Okay. Then we can select, for instance, the first line, and this will style the first line of every paragraph. So how can we style this? Let's, for instance, make it color red. Okay. So every first line will have a red color. So obviously here everything will be red because we only have one line in each paragraph. But let's make it a bit smaller, and boom, you can see that only the first line now has red color because now it has two lines. If we zoom in here, you'll see now only the first line still has red, and the second and third line in this paragraph is still the normal color. Okay. So yes guys, I'll also have a link in the description about pseudo elements, but this is the basic thing about pseudo elements. It's just how it works. So yes, so pseudo classes we select using 1 colon and the name, and pseudo elements is 2 colons and the name. And pseudo classes and pseudo elements are just used to select an element in a certain way when something is happening, or when it has certain attributes, or is something special, or has something. So yes guys, that's basically it for this video. I think we are done for today. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you haven't already, then please make sure to subscribe down below for more awesome videos. And if this video helped you in any way, then don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. And here on the left side, you can check out all of my social media links, and you can go follow me there. So yes guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.